back to my channel. I know I haven't posted in a while. I've just been super busy with a lot of different things outside of YouTube. If you want to keep up with some of my looks, you can definitely follow me on Instagram, which I will link here on the page and down below. That has all my posts, and I am always posting on my story. So if you wanted to keep up with me more, that's where you would do it. If you like this look, which is just a neon sunset type of look, it's definitely very bright and bold. It's something that I do think is quite easy. It's just a basic cut crease with neon pigment. If you want to see how to create this neon bold look, just continue watching.
So I am now just carving out my eyebrow and also just covering my lid with the P. Louise base in the shade 0, which is their white shade. And that is what we start off with to prep the eyelids for this vibrant eyeshadow look. Taking the Juvia's Place Zulu palette, I'm just going to pack that dark purple shade on my lid and crease area just to start off our blend. Taking a clean, fluffy blending brush, I'm just going to blend out the edges before we start packing on the pink shade. Taking that hot pink shade that's next to the purple in the Zulu palette, I'm going to apply that to the purple edge to start the process of a blend. This is how I blend all of my eyeshadow looks. It takes a few layers, but definitely worth it. I'm just making sure I drag that pink shade to the bottom of our, I guess, like angled winged out purple shade, and then also just reapplying the purple shade because it did get a little bit lost when we were applying that pink. So I'm taking another blending brush and I'm taking a hot pink shade from the BH Cosmetics Take Me to Brazil palette, and I'm just applying this also in that pink area. So like I stated before, it does take a few layers for the blend to look seamless. So I'm taking that purple shade again and I'm applying it, and then taking our yellow to also create a orange fade at the very top. And I want to make sure that yellow is super vibrant, so I am blending it all the way up to my eyebrow and as far down as I think I should. I'm also applying it in the inner corner blend as well. Now I'm applying the pink shade, the purple shade, and the yellow shades until I get a blend that I like before we cut that crease. So this is the absolute best trick for cutting out or carving a crease. You take petroleum jelly or just normal Vaseline on a brush and you cut out the shape, and then you take a Q-tip and you wipe away that jelly and that product, and then I take another Q-tip that has micellar water on it. That's what I'm doing right here, and I just clean that up again, and then you go in with your product, which I'm using the P. Louise Rumor Base in 0, which is the white base shade. Okay, time for the most fun part of the actual look. We're applying neon pigments, starting off with this yellow shade. I'm just applying that in the first inner third of my lid, as you can see here. And then the next shade I'm going to go in with is going to be a neon orange, which I am applying right here. The next neon pigment shade I am applying is a hot pink, and that's going right next to the orange shade, trying to blend them together as best as I can. Now the final shade that I am applying is this neon purple, just to the outer corner, blending it with the purple fade as well. I am now applying lashes from Ganja Queen Cosmetics in this style La Comadre. Use my code mrzpurpz to get money off at checkout.
Alright, so I did my lipstick off camera and obviously my other eye and my mascara off camera, but this is the finished look. So I really hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. If you guys want to see more looks by me, definitely subscribe to my channel. And then if you want to see more looks on my Instagram, definitely go on there and follow me. I will have it linked down below and again here on the screen. I really hope you guys have a great rest of your day. Also, all the product description will be down below as well, along with discount codes for any of the products used that have discount codes. So yeah, with that in mind, I just hope you guys have a wonderful rest of your day and bye!